Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a token in MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet extension in your web browser. It's crucial to ensure you are connected to the correct blockchain network where your token resides. For example, if your token is on the Binance Smart Chain, you must switch from the Ethereum mainnet. This step prevents errors and ensures your token appears correctly in your wallet. Once your MetaMask wallet is open and on the correct network, scroll down past your existing assets. At the very bottom, you will find a button labeled Import Tokens. Click this button to move to the next step. This action will take you to a new screen where you can either search for popular tokens or add a custom token using its specific details. On the Import Token screen, choose the Custom Token tab. Here, you will need three pieces of information: the token contract address, the token symbol, and the token decimal. Paste the unique token contract address into the first input field. MetaMask will typically auto-fill the token symbol and the number of decimals once the address is recognized, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. After entering the contract address, carefully review the auto-filled token symbol and the number of decimals. For instance, a common token might have 18 decimals. If everything looks correct, click the Add Custom Token button. Finally, click Import Tokens on the next screen. Your new token will now be visible in your MetaMask asset list, ready for transactions or viewing its balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.